Have you ever wondered if you can grow oranges on a lemon tree? With a technique called grafting, it's possible. Grafting is a horticultural method where a branch from one tree is joined to another, allowing them to grow together and share nutrients. Today, I'll show you how to graft an orange branch onto a lemon tree. To get started, you'll need a healthy lemon tree as your rootstock and a fresh, healthy orange branch for your scion. Also, grab a grafting knife, pruning shears, grafting tape, and a sealing compound. Make sure all your tools are clean and sterilized to avoid infections. First, select a branch from your lemon tree with strong, healthy growth to use as the rootstock. Then, cut a branch from an orange tree. This will be your scion. Look for a branch with a few buds, as these buds will eventually sprout into orange-producing branches. Trim the scion to about 4 to 6 inches in length. Using your grafting knife, make a clean, vertical cut about 2 inches long into the rootstock branch. This is called a cleft. Next, shape the base of your scion into a wedge so it can fit snugly into the cleft. The goal is to ensure that the cambium layers, the thin green layer just under the bark, of the scion and rootstock align. This alignment is essential for a successful graft. Once done, insert the scion into the cleft of the rootstock. Wrap the union tightly with grafting tape to hold it in place and protect it from moisture and pests. Cover any exposed areas with sealing compound to further prevent infection. Place the grafted tree in a location with indirect sunlight and keep it well watered, but avoid overwatering. Over the next few weeks, monitor the graft for signs of growth. If the buds on the scion begin to swell and sprout, your graft is successful. In just a few months, your orange branch will integrate with the lemon tree, sharing nutrients and eventually producing oranges. Grafting is not only a great way to grow multiple fruits on one tree but also a rewarding experience in itself. Give it a try, and happy gardening!